When it comes to wood borers, this one always gets the most press. The gold-spotted oak borer is causing massive die-offs in our local woodlands, infesting and killing decades-old stands of oak trees.
What we have here is a bunch of different types of wood that have been attacked by different boring beetles.
But while the gold-spotted borer, or GSOB for short, is an imported aggressive pest, county entomologist Tracy Ellis reminds us that it's not the only species out there.
These types of borers attack trees that are already dead and dying from other conditions, and it's part of the normal decay process.
So if you had wood dotted with these tiny holes, it used to hold true that oak was the only firewood you needed to be concerned about when it came to spreading a bad borer. But with firewood season upon us, there's another borer with a much wider diet that could be lurking in that freshly cut pile of wood. It's called the polyphagous shot-hole borer, and it's hungry.
One of the reasons that the new one, the polyphagous shot-hole borer, is confusing to people is because it looks so much like other shot-hole borers in a whole bunch of different types of trees, and it affects a whole bunch of different types of trees, about 10 different families of trees.
Oak trees, coral trees, red maples, plums, even avocados. This map shows the Southland's avocado groves in green. The blue and red triangles mark confirmed infestations of the borer. The concern for avocado farmers is that a rogue load of firewood could spread the pest further across the state.
The prepackaged wood that's wrapped and bundled and labeled at your grocery store or your drugstore is fine. You can tell that wood has been dried and cured, and there's no living larvae in that wood.
Dry, seasoned wood, or wood that has been chipped into mulch, those are the only ways to be sure an infested tree has been rid of the pest. So if you have a tree on your property that has the telltale markings of a borer, it would be wise to visit one of two websites, gsob.org or pshb.org.
They can make reports on what symptoms they're having and make contact with an expert who can help them diagnose what kind of pests they have, and if it's a pest that's of concern where they would need to dispose of it carefully.
Whether it's your own wood or firewood purchased in bulk from a supplier, the concern about the threat to California's farms and forests is great enough to warrant its own website. To learn more about the Buy It Where You Burn It campaign, visit firewood.ca.gov. In the County News Centre, I'm Dominic Fulgoni.